So we're gonna make some steamed rice, and it's going to be the absorption process. So get a cup. It doesn't matter what the cup is actually, but I find for our family this little IKEA cup suits. And you just fill up 1 cup of rice, or whatever quantity you want. You can do 2 cups if you want. You can do whatever you want. And then you want to pop it in, give it a good little rinse. And I usually just kind of stir it around. And someone taught me this a while back, that you use your hand to collect a little bit of the rice at the edge. I don't know. The person who taught me did it way better. But, okay. And then add 1.5 cups. So I used 1 cup rice, so 1.5 cups. So it's just 1.5 of whatever it is. So if you were using 2 cups of rice, then you would use 3 cups of water. Yeah? Yeah? All right?
Okay.
That's right. Okay, so 1 cup. And 1/2 of a cup. Let me just make sure that my water, my rice is off of the edge. Okay, and now I have an induction cooker, and it is back on, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. So I'm just going to put it on high, and as soon as it comes to a boil, a slow boil, you'll see the little bubbles popping up. Then I turn it down to like 2 or 3, and then let it simmer for 15 minutes. And then it's really lovely. It's way better to make rice this way than in the microwave, I think, just because it comes out a lot fluffier. That's it. You'll have like fresh, beautiful rice in like 15 minutes. Oh, and then you kind of have to wait a little bit afterwards, but we never really wait because we're impatient.